Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. I've always wanted to try out a phone case that had a wallet component to it. And I was also looking for one that had a ring stand and of course looks super stylish. This phone case by LAMEEKU checked off all the boxes. I especially enjoyed having it when I was at a hotel, because they give you a key card for your room and now I had a place to keep it. Genius. All the components of this phone case are of superior quality. The ring stand is nice and sturdy and hasn't gotten loose over time. And the clip to close up your cards and money is strong. I really feel like this case is elegant looking, especially in this white color, and the texture just adds to that elegance as well. I really enjoy having the convenience that this phone case provides me, especially when I'm shopping on my phone. Let's say you're sitting down and you have to get up to get your credit card. Well, not anymore. It's right there at the tip of my fingers. Genius. Sweet phone case, and that's my point of view.